Guys, finally I have locked my house and I live at my house. And as you can see, what happened? Hi, kar do hi. Hi. Hi की दुकान चप्पल की दुकान नहीं है यार. As you can see, he is finding a footwear shop, and in my village there is no footwear shop. Hi कर दो. Hello guys. Huh? Hello guys. So I am going to swimming in well. So first of all I call my friend, and he is come with me for swimming. And finally, as you can see, he is taken his goggle. It is only for swimming. Let's see. As you can see, I will wear it, and we are going in our village well because we have to swim there. And guys, as you can see, he is totally free, and he has come here because he have to swim in the well, into the well. And I think he is calling someone, inviting for.
Very hard motion is sky. He's me and my friends circle swimming is Goa.
For going.
Enjoy everyone. Don't wait for call.
Thank you.
Thanks. Go away.
Come behind me. Okay. He is my friend and he can speak fluently. Done. The weather is very totally different. Here is no sunlight and the fog is roaming in the sky.
हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं नीरज चोपड़ा जो कि
The one who is coming from Jabalpur as well as Kharagpur. He is a IIT man. You know? Hi, IIT man.
Just
Hi,
a month is the job to Pune.
And I would like to say you, he get a job and his salary is 50k per month. This well water level is too low. That's why we will not swim here. And we are finding one more well where we will swim. What happened? Neeraj ji?
One is what?
The happen is what? He is what happened काका? What happened? और बहुत, as you can see guys, the onion is size is very bold. As you can see, but thing is that it is get dobya. It is get dobya.
ठीक है ये डूबी नहीं
No, you don't know.
डूबी नहीं
You don't know Neeraj
डूबी नहीं
because you are not farmer.
हमरा करेल छे हमका मालूम
Neeraj, you are not farmer.
आउ छे
They are farmer.
हमने काम करेल छे
How you can say it is dobya? काका हाय करो काका, हाय तो कर दो जरा मैं बात सुनो जरा. आले देखो न जरा, आले देखो असं करून जरा. अरे सेठ दाजी, as you can see guys, he is the owner of this onion, Suku kaka. As you can see, finally we have to take this one throat because I don't know how to swimming in the well. That's why we take a throat, and two of this throat we will swimming in this well. And guys, as you can see, finally we have put up our clothes and my friend as well. And here is my our clothes. And he is not swimming. Why you are not swimming? He is talking someone. You come. He will come, friend. And we are very excited because we have to swim. And as you can see, he is a very bodybuilder person.
Kiran bhai.
Body. So your body.
No, is my wedding. Is me wedding from girl. You know.
I know. As you can see, guys, he said that it's a body for girls, not for me. He said that.
Me marriage from girl. You know. Is my
Yeah.
my family is poor man.
Yeah.
My father is poor man. Please give me take a girl
अरे बस कर रहे तुम्हारी इंग्लिश सूट का नोनी
You is
And guys, as you can see, he take goggle.
मोबाइल बंद करो तुम्हारे कपड़े उतारू नहीं उतारना वो
And he said that first of all I off my phone, then he put off his clothes, and otherwise he will not put off his clothes. And he is going into the well, as you can see. Ajay, एक बार as you can see
as you can see. Come on, my
behind me.
friend, please come on. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Enjoy. Everybody, don't get vocal.
फोटो साथ में गेम को फोटो क्यों
He is Ajju Patel, and I am going there as well. You can see I am going to into the river, into the well. Woo! Let's see what will happen there. And guys, finally, as you can see, we head into the well. मजो का आज I have to go into the water because of I don't know how to swim. That's why I am going into the water with throat. And water is too cool. Hey guys, ready. ये खड़गपुर से तुम यहाँ पर ये करने आए हो?
मेरे मम्मी पापा सब जानते हैं
हमारे बंदे लोग को कॉल करो.
Okay, गाड़ी में दी गई.
हाँ.
काका गाड़ी में ले लाए 3-4 बार.
तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा को सब पता है?
सब पता है
बंदे लोग को कॉल करूँ?
जितने काका फोन करो जितने काका को.
And guys, as you can see, he is Nitesh. He has come finally for swimming. And guys, as you can see, Nitesh has finally jumped into the well. And he is IIT man. He is come from Kharagpur.
Yes, महाकुंभ. Yes, महाकुंभ वो बाबा है ना, IIT वाले बाबा. Yes.
Same.
Same.
He is same.
Junior.
Huh?
Junior बाबा.
From junior batch.
IIT बाबा, junior बाबा.
Okay.
Okay, done bye.
I've taken bath and
My lungi dance. It's my yo friend from lungi dance.
from Sapura.
Lungi dance. Okay, done bye.
And after some time we have to go at home. Let's see.